Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to create a new WhatsApp account or create WhatsApp account. If you want to create a new WhatsApp account or open WhatsApp account on your phone, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Play Store. After that, open Google Play Store. After that, search WhatsApp Messenger. You can see WhatsApp Messenger. Please install this app. After that, open it. Welcome to WhatsApp. Choose your language to get started, and in this you can choose and select your own language. I can choose English language. After that, in this here, click on it. Welcome to WhatsApp. After that, choose agree and continue. Enter your phone number. WhatsApp will need to verify your phone number. After that, open country, and in this you can choose and select your own country. After that, you can see phone number, and in this here write your WhatsApp account phone number. You can see in this I can write my WhatsApp account phone number. After that, choose next. Is this the correct number? In this I can choose yes. To automatically verify with a missed call to your phone, allow WhatsApp to manage this call, or allow WhatsApp to do a one-time check. After that, you can see continue or verify another way. In this I can choose your need option or choose any option. I can choose verify another way. Choose how to verify. You can see three options: missed call, receive SMS, or voice call. I can choose last option, voice call. So in this here, click on it. After that, choose continue. After that, choose allow, and then again choose allow. Profile info. Please provide your name and an optional profile photo. In this time, I can upload my WhatsApp profile picture or upload WhatsApp profile photo. After that, click here. Profile photo. You can see camera, gallery, avatar. In this time, I can choose an open gallery. And in this time, I can choose and select your WhatsApp profile picture or WhatsApp profile photo. After that, open it. You can see done. Profile photo updated. That's when I can easily update or upload my WhatsApp profile photo and update WhatsApp profile picture. You can see type here name here, and in this here write your WhatsApp account name. You can see in this I can write my WhatsApp account name Lucas Mary. After that, choose next. Add email to protect your account. Verify your account even without SMS. You can see two options: add email or skip. In this time I can choose skip. You can see in this time I can easily create a new WhatsApp account or create WhatsApp account. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.